Hey, Ted. Why do you look so nervous?
I'm going to ask the boss for a raise.
You should. You deserve a raise. You work very hard.
I do work hard. I'm here early every day, and I leave late every night.
Yeah, you do. You also help other people when they need help. You've helped me many times.
Also, I've been here for 10 years. My last raise was 3 years ago.
3 years? Then I think it's definitely time for a raise.
Do you think she will say yes?
I think she will. She's nice. She listens well and is also very fair.
I wrote a short report about why I deserve a raise.
Only you would do that. You are so detail-oriented.
I like to be prepared about everything.
That's another reason why you should get a raise.
Okay, I'm ready to talk to her.
You can't talk to her today.
Why not?
She's on a business trip.